Now see the next point, Lenz law. So it is based on Lenz law. It is based on conservation of energy. It is based on conservation of energy. So what he has suggested, or what he said, that whenever there is a change in flux, the flux we are changing because of some mechanical work has been done, and that mechanical work or that mechanical energy converting into electrical energy. So in that basis he has defined it is based on conservation of energy. So according to Lenz, the induced EMF or the polarity of induced EMF or the direction of induced current or the direction of induced current will be such that it opposes the direction of induced current will be such that it opposes the cause which is responsible for change in flux. So he has suggested that whenever the induced EMF develop across a conductor or induced current develop in a loop, so polarity of EMF will be like that, or direction of induced current will be like that. It will opposes the cause which is responsible for that change, or which is responsible for change in magnetic flux. It means, meaning of that, if the flux is decreasing, so induced current will be in such a manner. So induced current will be in such a direction it will try to maintain the same flux. It will try to maintain same flux. Same flux means as the flux is decreasing, it will try to maintain the same flux. Means original flux means it will enhance the flux. And if flux is increasing, then it will try to decrease the flux. So on the basis of this concept, he has introduced a negative sign in the induced EMF relation. Introduce negative sign in the induced EMF relation. In the induced EMF relation. So, induced EMF is given as now. So, induced EMF E is given as minus d phi by dt, where negative sign indicate the flux is always opposes the, or induced EMF is always opposes the change in flux. Indicate the induced EMF always opposes the change in flux. The induced EMF is always opposes the change in flux. This is the meaning of negative sign. So this law is called your Lenz law. Now see certain example. From that we can understand in much more better way what does it mean. See.